What's the meaning of ailing? Ailing. 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 Ailing refers to something or someone that is experiencing poor health or a decline in vitality. The term can be used to describe physical, mental, or emotional states. Ailing individuals may display symptoms of illness, such as weakness, fatigue, pain, or depression. They may also have difficulty performing daily tasks and may require medical attention or support from others. Ailing organizations or systems may be struggling financially, operationally, or strategically, and may require intervention or restructuring to improve their performance and sustainability. Overall, ailing suggests a state of distress or vulnerability that requires attention and care.